So I planted this tower with seedlings exactly 1 month ago, and all I've done is change the nutrient water out once and not even looked at it in between those times. I planted the NFT system at the same time because I've got a bigger water reservoir. I don't have to refill it as often, so I've not touched this since I planted it a month ago, and absolutely lovely. Okay, so this is a seedling I planted exactly the same time as I planted the rest of these. That and my tower. And you can see how much smaller it is. How everything else has gone. And this has actually been having full sun during the day, where all my other stuff is under polycarb roofing. So if you'd like to know how I make my tower gardens, so that's one there that's not planted. They're very cheap and easy to make. See one here I've started off, 90mm PVC pipe. A bucket, little pump in the bottom. Keep an eye on my channel, and I'm going to make a video shortly on how to manufacture these. I'm also going to put together a video on how to make this really easy NFT system, nutrient film technique. Really simple and easy to make, quick. I made this in a couple of hours. So subscribe, and coming up shortly will be how to do all this.